Hi, everyone, and welcome. I'm so excited you're here because we're diving into something that can truly transform your look. And that is why it's important to wear the right makeup colors for your skin tone and features. My name is Adele, and today we're talking about how the right makeup colors can enhance your natural beauty. Because the makeup we choose can either brighten our faces or leave us washed out. So let's figure out what is the right colors to work for you and how we can make it work in your favor. So if you look at this image, let's talk about why color matters when it comes to makeup. Have you ever noticed how some makeup shades seem to light up your face and others seem to make you look washed out? And you can't work out why. And so for the example, the wrong shade foundation can make your skin look dull if you look at the image, and the wrong lipstick can make you look washed out or make other features stand out that you don't want to. But when you get the right colors, your eyes pop, your skin glows, and everything looks just balanced and natural. And that's the power of choosing the right makeup colors. And this is why knowing your personal color palette is a game changer. It takes the guesswork out of getting ready in the morning. So it makes your routine much quicker and easier and way more effective because you know that what you're doing is right. So this is why knowing your color palette really, really helps, because matching your color palette to your features then makes everything blend and look harmonious. So if your colors are warm or cool or neutral, you need to know, and that's what you learn when you have your colors done. You need to find out what category you fit into. And when you know that, whether you're warm, neutral, or cool, then you'll know what color foundations to choose. So if your skin tone is cool, then you're going to choose a cool foundation and with cool undertones. And if you have warm undertones, your skin has warm undertones, then you want to be choosing a foundation that has warm undertones so that they all blend and harmonious with your features. And this is what's really, really important when it comes to foundation. And you'll understand now when you see later on in the slides the difference. And then once you've got your foundation on, it's really important that then you know what color blush to wear, because when you've got the foundation on, then you're putting a blush on top. You need to know that your blush is warm to go with your warm undertones, or that it is cool to go with your cool undertones, so that everything is matching and harmonious. I'm sure that makes sense to you. And then that'll then take you to your eyeshadows. Now at eyeshadows, we look not only at your features and your undertone of your skin, but we then look at the color of your actual eye. So we want your eyes to pop. So we want to be making sure that if you've got warm toned eyes, you want to be wearing more golden or earthy shades. And if you have cool toned eyes, then perhaps pinks or purples or blues will be looking good on your eye. Everything must be harmonious so that it all pops and looks beautiful and makes you look natural. Instead of when you walk into a room, you don't want people to go, "Oh, look at her makeup." You want people to go, "Gee, doesn't she look amazing today? She is looking so well." That's what you want. That's the goal with makeup. When you put your lipstick on, it brings everything together. So your lipstick must blend in with the foundation, with the blush, with the eyeshadows, all those colors that you've chosen. You then want to make sure that your lipstick is harmonious with all of those, bringing the whole image together, the whole look, everything that you have going on. All right, so if we go on to the next slide, we're now going to go into a little bit of a tutorial with a video. When applying a foundation, firstly make sure that it is the right color for your undertone. Then make sure that it blends in seamlessly, creating a natural, evenly placed base with no edges. This is my thing. I really like to know that the neck is well blended, and so please make sure there are no lines. Then when you go into the eyeshadows, choose again colors that enhance your natural eye color, bringing attention to your eyes, making them pop and shine. And that's what we cover in the color palette as we do her color discovery service. Then we go into the blush.
Blushes need to again make sure that it's the right color palette, as we discussed earlier, so that you're left with a natural flush rather than overpowering your complexion. And knowing exactly where to put it is what we cover in the makeup tutorial. Really important. And then, of course, lipstick, finally finishing with a lipstick shade that ties everything together, complementing your skin tone and brightening your whole face and giving your lips the correct shape, which is what we cover in the tutorial, so that when you put your clothes on again, you look amazing. Everything is tied together.
Now let's talk about common mistakes people make when they don't know their color palette. And so we'll first of all talk about the bold eyebrow. Bold eyebrows do not suit everyone, and you need to look at your personality. Personalities are important. So what is the message that you are sending with this bold eyebrow? Have you thought about that? I know it's a trend, so everyone thinks that this is what they should be doing, but it mustn't be the first thing that people notice about you. I mean, is that what you want people to notice first about you? So you need to stand back and look in the mirror at the whole picture and go, is this right on me? Does this look right? And also, is it the right color? And is it the right shape? So eyebrows are really, really important. They shape the face. So what is your eyebrow doing? You really need to look at this. Something I'm very passionate about. And then we go to, as I mentioned, the foundation. Your foundation must suit your skin tone. If it doesn't, you're going to look over made up. Okay, you don't want people to think, oh, she's done something wrong. I can't work out what it is, but it doesn't look right. If the foundation is wrong, it's the first thing people notice about you. Isn't harmonious, that it looks wrong, okay? So you want to be making sure that your foundations are the right color. And then we get back to the lipstick. As I said before, it must be the right color for your skin tone. For the rest of your makeup, must be the thing that brings everything together, but it must also not accentuate areas of your face that you don't want people to notice. Makeup is about camouflaging certain things. So you want to make sure that you are doing the right thing with the lipstick, as I've mentioned. And this is the reason why we like to take you through our Her Color Discovery service, because during that service, we first of all drape you with fabrics. Now, I just want to emphasize here that it can be done online. We've got the most fabulous software where we do you online, or we can have you in face-to-face and we use actual fabrics. But either way, we're still draping you with color and fabric. And when we do that, we never know when we start what the outcome's going to be. It's so much fun. And then we establish, first of all, whether you are warm or cool. And then we go into what season you are. And then we go into the subcategories. And then from the subcategories, we can then step into the makeup. So as I said, first of all, we start off with draping you in different colors. And then by doing that, we establish which are the right and the wrong colors for you to wear, because you want the right colors to make you pop and look healthy and happy. We don't want the colors to make you look ill. So that's what we do first. And I'm going to share the link with you if you are interested in our Her Color Discovery service, because there you can find out more information. But I will also leave it with this video so that you can click and just find out more about what we do and what the inclusions are. It is great fun and extremely successful online as well. We've got ladies all over around the world that we are working with every day. It's really good fun. And then what we do is, establishing your color palette, we then take you into the private makeup tutorial. So we've just had Julia go through our whole process, and so we were just updating our images and videos and things, and that's why you see a lot of Julia, because she herself has been through an enormous challenge in her life that she's just pushed through and come out the other end really well, and we're so proud of her. So we're just helping her rediscover her confidence, and that's why we are taking her through all these processes. So she did the personal training with us, got her health back on track, and we established her eating patterns, making sure that they're healthy for a healthy lifestyle. Then we got into the colors and now the makeup. So we've had a lot of fun with her. And as you can see, it's really important that you know which is the right makeup for you to wear, as you can see here. And what we do then, if you are interested, here is the link to the Her Makeup. And now we have our private makeup tutorial, which again is online, or it's face-to-face, and again very successful online. We've done it with ladies in New York. Private makeup tutorial where I then teach you what colors to wear, where to put them, why we put them there, and which products to use. So it saves you so much time, so much money, and it actually gives you all the information that you need so that when you are sitting in the morning, you have a step-by-step process that you go through to doing your makeup. You understand why you're doing it. You know exactly the reason why you are doing your makeup. And this is based on my years and years and years in the industry. I mean, I did my makeup training in 1981. So that's how long I've been in the industry. I've traveled around the world. I've been on the stage doing makeup for myself, doing makeup for others. So yes, it's all about makeup and the where to put it, what makeup to use. First of all, we've got a lovely testimonial here, Julia. And we really enjoyed helping her discover herself and regain her confidence. And she said that she never really understood where to put her makeup, and now she is absolutely glowing and loving it. And then from our ladies that we have done, we've got so many, and I just didn't want to take up too much of your time with the testimonials. But again, really success stories, regaining confidence, helping them feel absolutely fabulous, and having so much fun when they get dressed. And then we get to the questions and answers. So if there's any questions you have, just put them down in the comments below and I'll get back to you. And with the answers, you know, you might be wanting to know how it works online for the makeup or for the color discovery, how it works face to face, what the inclusions are in understanding what colors and your color palette, because that all comes together with the service. It's really, really fun. You'll absolutely love it, all the new technology. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that you have learned a lot about the importance of wearing makeup that complements your skin tone. Remember, the right colors must make you look healthy and well, and people must actually comment on how well you're looking and not on the actual makeup. And we want it to improve your confidence, because that's why we're here at Her Smile, is to help every woman discover her smile, stepping out with confidence and power. So if you want to learn more, feel free to connect with me. These are my details. Otherwise, have an amazing day, and thank you very much for joining me, and keep shining.